My name is 𝗔𝗖𝗔𝗠, and I'm the director of the ACAM Academy. I'll quickly summarize my journey for you. I've always been slim. When I turned 20, I decided to stop drinking because I had a serious drinking problem. However, I transferred that to drugs, and that wasn't any better, so I stopped that too. What have I done more like a champion? I transferred my addiction problem to food, and yes, I gained weight, hitting over 430 pounds, for 5 years of my life. Well, I had bariatric surgery. I haven't had a drop of alcohol since I was 20, all this with a good personal journey. That's actually what I'm here to talk to you about, the ACAM method. If you have addiction issues or feel unwell, come see me. The ACAM method is a simple 4-step process: accept, change, love, and maintain. You've done some personal work, but in your daily life, there's like a little stone in your shoe. Well, come see me. The ACAM method is actually a simple method in 4 steps: accept, change, love, and maintain. And one of the strengths that I have is teaching people to use these 4 methods in every area of their life, from morning to night. Because too often, we will deal with the problem, but we will not look at the small behavior that comes after, then the small behavior that comes before. So if you're ever interested, if I've caught your attention, well, come see me on my pro page. And then, if ever it touches you because you think that you are a little bit like me. But I created the campus ACAM group where we will give lots of information, lots of exchanges. It's super fun. In short, if you're feeling all mixed up and not balanced in your life, even if it doesn't show on the outside, because sometimes it doesn't, well, come see me. I'd love to chat with you. See you later.